Ever feel like your brain is a web browser with 100 tabs open? You're juggling work deadlines, family needs, and a never-ending to-do list. No wonder you're exhausted. The mental load women carry is immense, and it's not a personal failing. It's a byproduct of modern life's relentless demands. We're expected to be everything to everyone, and the pressure builds until even a small mishap feels overwhelming. Our brains weren't designed for this constant stress and information overload. But what if you could start closing those mental tabs, one by one, with small, simple habits that reset your mind? It's about reclaiming your mental space, one quiet moment at a time. Just think positive. We've all heard it, but when you're overwhelmed, it feels dismissive. This kind of toxic positivity ignores real stress and adds guilt for feeling bad. Suppressing emotions doesn't make them disappear. It just pushes them deeper, like holding a beach ball underwater. Chronic overwhelm floods your body with stress hormones, making it impossible to think your way out. Real mental wellness isn't about ignoring the negative. It's about building resilience to navigate it. We need tools that calm the nervous system first, so our thinking brain can come back online. Let's retire the just be positive platitude and seek out practical, science-backed methods that honor our real experiences. That's where real change begins. Meet Sarah, a talented designer and devoted mom who seems to have it all together. From the outside, her life looks picture perfect. She juggles work deadlines, school pickups, and family dinners with a smile. Friends admire her creativity and her ability to keep everything running smoothly. And her social media is filled with snapshots of happy moments and beautiful designs. But behind the scenes, Sarah is running on fumes. She's constantly exhausted, staying up late to finish projects and waking up early to care for her family. Guilt and anxiety weigh heavily on her. She worries she's not doing enough at work or at home, and the pressure to be perfect never seems to let up. She wonders if anyone else feels this way, or if she's the only one struggling to keep up. Then there's Jessica, a young lawyer who's always pushing herself to the brink. She's ambitious and driven, but beneath her professional exterior, she's haunted by imposter syndrome and the constant fear of not measuring up. Every day feels like a test she might fail, and the pressure to succeed is relentless. She rides the train to work, her mind racing with worries about deadlines, expectations, and whether she truly belongs in her field. Sound familiar? Maybe you see yourself in Sarah or Jessica's stories, or maybe your challenges are different. Perhaps you're a student, an entrepreneur, or a caregiver, but the feelings are the same: anxiety, self-doubt, and overwhelm. These emotions don't discriminate. They touch women from all walks of life in every stage of their journey. Whether you're just starting out in your career, building a business from scratch, or caring for loved ones, the struggle to balance it all is universal. The demands of modern life can feel endless, and the expectation to do it all and do it perfectly can be crushing. You might find yourself constantly multitasking, always on the go, and rarely taking a moment to breathe. The truth? You're not alone. Millions of women around the world feel exactly the same way. They too are searching for answers, for relief, and for a sense of peace in the chaos. When you open up and share your struggles, you'll find that others understand, and that support is closer than you think. Recognizing these feelings is the first step toward change. It's okay to admit that things are hard, and it's okay to ask for help. Self-awareness is powerful. It's the beginning of a new chapter where you can start to prioritize your own well-being. The next step is knowing you don't have to keep living like this. There is hope, and there are real, practical ways to break free from the cycle of overwhelm. You deserve to feel calm, confident, and in control of your life. By learning to manage stress, set healthy boundaries, and practice self-care, you can reclaim your peace of mind. It's possible to find balance, joy, and fulfillment, even in the busiest seasons of life. Your journey starts now, and you don't have to walk it alone. And if you're ready to take the next step, we invite you to explore the Happy Mind course's ebooks and video courses designed to help you find calm, confidence, and happiness. Each resource is packed with science-backed strategies and practical exercises to support your mental well-being. You'll find all the links in the video description and on screen, so you can start your journey to a calmer, happier mind today. Remember, you deserve support, and these resources are here to help you every step of the way. So what's the alternative to empty advice? The Mind Reset Method, the heart of our Happy Mind courses. It's a set of science-backed habits you can use in 5 minutes or less, designed for real life. Think of it as a user manual for your brain, helping you create pockets of calm in daily chaos. Techniques like specific breathing patterns can quickly lower stress and help you think clearly, anytime, anywhere. You'll also learn to gently reframe negative thoughts, not by forcing positivity, but by becoming a compassionate observer of your mind. Our courses are practical, bite-sized, and fit into the cracks of your day. It's about building resilience, one small step at a time. Real women, real results, like Maria, a single mom who started with a 5-minute morning exercise and found her days calmer. Chloe, an entrepreneur, used our evidence-gathering technique to quiet her inner critic and finally see her own achievements. Lisa, a nurse, learned to leave work stress at the door with a simple visualization, transforming her evenings with family. These aren't exceptions. They're women who invested a few minutes a day in their mental well-being. Their stories prove transformation doesn't require a life overhaul. It starts with small, consistent actions that create healthier patterns. They learn to work with their minds, not against them. Their journey is proof that practical, science-backed tools can change your life. What sets Happy Mind courses apart? Our approach is practical, science-based, and tailored for busy women. No hour-long lectures, just short, digestible lessons and 5-minute exercises you can fit into any day. You get lifetime access, so your toolkit is always there, no matter what life throws at you. Our courses come with beautifully designed workbooks and a supportive community of women on the same journey. It's not just another course, it's a resource you'll actually use. We combine science-backed content, practical application, and real support. That's how we help you create lasting change. Ready to try a habit right now? Here's the daily win, a 5-minute exercise to boost confidence and shift your mindset. At the end of your day, jot down 3 things that went well, big or small. Savor each win for a few seconds. Let yourself feel that sense of accomplishment. This simple act rewires your brain to notice your strengths, not just your flaws. Do this daily, and soon you'll have a list of wins to revisit on tough days. It's a powerful antidote to self-doubt and negativity. The daily win is a cornerstone of the mind reset method. It's practical, powerful, and the perfect first step to a happier mind. Maybe you're thinking, I can't do this. That little voice in your head might be getting louder, especially when you're about to try something new or prioritize yourself for the first time in a long while. It's completely normal to feel hesitant or even doubtful. We all have an inner committee that chimes in with reasons why we shouldn't take action, especially when it comes to self-care or making changes. That's your I can't committee talking. Let's address their concerns together, one by one, and see if we can quiet those voices just a little. Guilt is often the loudest member. It whispers, "It's selfish to focus on myself." Maybe you feel like your family, your job, or your friends should always come first. But here's the truth. When you neglect your own needs, it becomes harder to be present and supportive for others. You can't pour from an empty cup. Prioritizing your mental health isn't selfish, it's essential. When you take care of yourself, you show up with more patience, energy, and love for everyone else in your life. Your well-being ripples out to those around you. Then there's time scarcity. Another committee member insisting, "I don't have a spare minute." Life is busy, and your schedule might feel packed from morning to night. But what if you could make a difference in just a few minutes a day? Our micro habits are designed to fit into the time you already have. Just 5 minutes, while your coffee brews, during a lunch break, or before bed, can start to shift your mindset and mood. Small actions, done consistently, add up to real change. Skepticism might pop up next, saying, "Nothing's worked before, so why would this?" Maybe you've tried other programs or read countless books only to feel let down or overwhelmed. That's understandable. But our method is different. We focus on small, science-backed actions that are easy to start and stick with. No drastic overhauls, no impossible routines, just practical steps that fit your real life. Think of it like building muscle at the gym. You don't see results overnight, but with small, repeatable steps, you get stronger and more confident. Consistency is the secret ingredient, and you're not alone on this journey. You get lifetime access to a supportive community of women who understand what you're going through. Together, you'll celebrate wins, share struggles, and keep each other motivated. The I Can't Committee is a normal part of being human, but you don't have to let them run the show. With real, practical tools and a little encouragement, You can quiet their voices and move forward. You deserve to invest in yourself, to feel good, and to make your well-being a priority, no matter what your inner critics say. Change is possible, one small brave step at a time, and every step you take is a victory worth celebrating. Over the past few minutes, we've explored the invisible weight so many of us carry every day, the mental load that never seems to let up. Maybe you recognize it in yourself, the constant to-do lists running through your mind, the pressure to keep everything together, and the exhaustion that comes from always being on. You've probably come across endless tips and generic advice online, quick fixes that promise relief but rarely deliver. It's easy to feel let down, wondering if true peace of mind is even possible. But real change is possible. We've shared stories of women just like you who have transformed their lives, not through empty promises, but through practical steps and genuine support. Right now, you're standing at a crossroads. You can continue down the familiar path of overwhelm and stress, feeling stuck and drained, or you can choose something different, a new direction that leads to clarity, energy, and joy. This is your invitation to make your peace of mind a top priority, not as a luxury you squeeze in when there's time, but as a necessity for your well-being. Imagine waking up each morning feeling calm and centered, ready to face whatever the day brings. Picture yourself handling challenges with resilience, bouncing back from setbacks, and feeling truly present in your own life. Imagine being able to give your best self to your loved ones, fully engaged, patient, and joyful, because you've learned how to care for your own mind and heart. Get our flagship Happy Mind courses. They include the Calm Mind, Anti-Anxiety Formula, the Self-Love Handbook, Happiness Starts With You, Happiness Through Self-Care. These are not just another online class. It's a step-by-step journey designed to help you break free from overwhelm, build lasting habits, and rediscover your spark. Think of it as an investment in yourself that will pay off for years to come. You'll gain tools to manage stress, boost your confidence, and create more moments of genuine happiness, no matter how busy life gets. You deserve to feel confident, calm, and at peace with yourself. These aren't just distant dreams, they can be your reality. Even in the midst of a packed schedule, you can find moments of quiet and contentment. You can learn to pause, breathe, and reconnect with what matters most. Click below to claim your exclusive discount and begin your transformation today. Join our supportive community of women who are choosing to thrive, not just survive. Take your first step toward a happier, healthier you. The journey to a quieter mind and a more joyful life starts right now, and it starts with you. And if you're ready to dive even deeper, don't miss our collection of life-changing ebooks and video courses designed to help you create lasting calm, confidence, and happiness. Explore the Calm Mind, Anti-Anxiety Formula, the Self-Love Handbook, Happiness Starts With You, and Happiness Through Self-Care. Each packed with science-backed strategies and practical tools for a more peaceful mind and joyful life. Click the links in the description now to access these powerful resources. Whether you're looking for step-by-step guidance, quick mindset resets, or a supportive community, these ebooks and video courses are your roadmap to a calmer, happier you. Don't wait. Your transformation starts with a single click.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video on Happy Life Secrets TV. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop us a comment below and let us know what you think, or share your own secrets to a happy life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content. We're here to bring a smile to your day with tips, tricks, and secrets to a happier life. See you in the next video.
Today is another good day. Unlock the path to your best self. Discover the transformative power of the 12 Happy Life Secrets. Embrace all of them and watch your happiness thrive. Remember, your happy life is an inside job.